Hi friends, I am Jackie, I am from As You Like It, and today I want to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite products that we carry, and that is Fun Cups. So these are menstrual cups, they're by Fun Factory. In case you are not familiar with Fun Factory, I will just tell you that they are very much in alignment with our ethics. They're one of our favorite companies because they are 100% body safe like us, and they are very eco-conscious like us. They try to eliminate waste as much as they can, which is kind of what brings us to our Fun Cups today. So when you think about tampons and pads and other single-use disposable period products, those not only cost a lot of money to everyone that menstruates, but they're also really not that good for our bodies. Cotton, and in particular bleached cotton, is not body safe. It's not exactly healthy for us to keep cotton in our bodies for an extended period of time. In addition, all of those products, as well as their wrappings and their applicators, those all become hazardous waste after only a single use. They can't be reused, they can't be recycled, it's not sanitary. So when you consider how much menstruation actually happens and how many people menstruate, that's a lot of waste that happens with all of those single-use products. So Fun Cups are here to kind of help fix those problems a little bit. So these are reusable, of course. You can reuse them pretty much as long as you want, provided that you clean them and take good care of them between usage. They're made of body-safe silicone. So silicone is a non-porous material, and silicone is an inert material as well, meaning that the molecules of silicone are actually bigger than the water molecules that make up our bodies. So the molecules are physically too large to pass through the barrier of our skin. So this is not going to interact with your body in any way. Silicone is going to be 100% body safe. It is safe to wear for up to 12 hours. You're not going to have to worry about anything with that. They're also a little bit flexible. So if you look, they can definitely be kind of scooted. And I really like that because not every body is going to be a perfect circle. We're all a little bit different. No one is exactly the same. So whatever shape your cup needs to be to make it comfortable for you, these are going to be nice and flexible and be able to be pushed into that size and that shape without breaking the seal at the rim. So these are going to be super, super comfortable to wear. They're also gender neutral. There's absolutely no gender assumed in the packaging, in the products, in the marketing, in any of it, because, as we all know, not just women menstruate, people of all genders menstruate. So no need to misgender yourself to buy these period products. In addition, you can also have non-penetrative sex with these in place because everything is going to be inside. So as long as it's external sex only, you can have as many orgasms as you want. And there's going to be no yucky string or anything weird that's going to be in the way or make it a little bit gross, okay? Super, super helpful for that. So if you look at the two different sizes, you can see the blue one is just a little bit larger than the pink one. So the pink is going to be their A, their smaller of the two sizes, and their blue is going to be their B, the larger of the two. So typically, these are seen as two different sizes, but you can use the smaller one for your light days and the larger one for your heavy days as well. It's totally dependent on you and what you like to do. If you have not had children and you think you are more narrow set, the A might be the right size for you. If you have had children and you are a little bit more broad in your vagina, this one might be a little bit more comfortable for you, but really it's going to have to be a bit of exploration. In addition, when you get them, you also get this really cute antimicrobial bag, which is very helpful. I know you can't feel it, but trust me, it is non-porous. It's going to be super easy to clean. You can just toss your cup right in there, and you are ready to go. Also, this is really neutral. If this were to fall out of your bag and someone were to see it, they would have no idea that it was menstrual products unless they also have a Fun Cup, in which case it's like your own little secret just for the two of you. You can get these in a set with the A's, so only the small ones, or with the B's, so only the large ones. But you can also get an Explore kit, which gives you an A and a B. So you can kind of have both. You can figure out which works better for you, or you can have one for light days and one for heavy days. So whichever works for you. Any kit you want. And the reason I'm telling you all this right now, and if you've stuck around to the end of the video, then you know that right now with any Fun Factory purchase, so any Fun Factory toy that you buy that's over $129, we are going to send you a free set of Fun Cups, okay? You can decide whether you want the A, the B, or the Explore kit, so whatever size Whatever size works for you, just let us know, okay? Any Fun Factory toy over $129 that you order from us, we will include a free set of Fun Cups, okay? Remember that if you order online right now and your order is over $50, you can get free delivery if you use the code social distancing, and that absolutely includes this Fun Factory deal that we're currently running. So if you have a preference on size and you want to order, simply put that in the notes. I'll let you know which pack you'll be getting, and soon it'll be on your way. So remember, all Fun Factory purchases over $129 that you make, you'll get a free set of Fun Cups, whichever set you want. Use the code social distancing to get free delivery. Thank you so much for following and watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Send me any questions you have about Fun Cups. I'd be happy to talk about it more. Bye!
Oh, I didn't see you there. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to AYLI Productions, and why not watch another video while you're at it? I don't know what I'm saying. What book should I be holding?
I was gonna say the Declaration Daddy. I was a gaping asshole I could see on camera.
Yeah. This is...
It's porn. We don't have to do it.
Yeah. Wait, no, I know what I'm saying.